Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers once again on onespotmedia.com. We begin with a story which had social media in a frenzy for days. The bus operator, who was shot and injured after he assaulted a police officer in Spalding, Clarendon, has been charged. According to head of the Manchester Police, who is also responsible for Spalding, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, there are also other warrants out for the bus operator's arrest. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
If Spalding, Clarendon was not popular before, this video, which went viral on February 5, had people talking about the small town for days. A policeman shot and injured a bus driver in front of a crowd of people. 1 week later, several charges laid against this man seen in the video, who the police say is the owner of the bus.
Mr. Jeremy Reed, 45 years old, was assaulted my officer that he has been charged. He's been charged for the assault on the policeman, it's assault OBR. He's also been charged for 2 counts of assault at common law, and that is where he tried to disarm my sergeant.
There are also 3 outstanding warrants for Jeremy Reed's arrest in St. Anne. Digging deeper, the police made another shocking discovery.
In Turks and Caicos, he was arrested and charged on suspicion of murder of a police officer. He was subsequently released. But still in Turks and Caicos in 2006, he was arrested and charged for robbery and illegal possession of firearm. And after he was identified as one of 6 men who held up the Amanara Hotel. And he was sentenced to life imprisonment. However, he did 2 years and 9 months and was deported in 2012.
Mr. Reed will be facing the courts in Manchester next month. As for the driver of the bus,
check into his background as well and recognize that he has 3 outstanding warrants. So he too is in custody. And as we speak, is on his way to St. Anne in police custody to face the parish court in St. Anne. Those warrants are from the St. Anne side.
Even the onlookers were not spared. The police say persons who were encouraging Mr. Reed to assault the cop will also be charged.
Damian Powell, OC Pops, is in custody and he will be charged for inciting a riot in that area.
Superintendent Cameron was speaking at the latest meeting of the Manchester Municipal Corporation on Thursday. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.